Hi guys, today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into my sewing room slash workspace. I hope that you like what you see. If there's anything that you would like me to give you more details on, please comment below and I will try to make that happen. Enjoy! The basement of my home is my work room, sewing room. Give you a quick pan around of what that looks like. Okay, so here is where I cut patterns and like practice certain like techniques and with certain materials. My sewing machine, my computer, which is basically my work computer. So this is the optimal place for me to basically work from home and work on my craft at the same time. And yeah, look, this is just a quick video of what it is looking like. Here is where I store my fabric. I am super proud of this. I just recently discovered how to wrap it around cardboard. Maybe I'll make a video on that later, but it's looking neat. It's easy for me to see what material I have for certain projects. TV, essential for staying sane and just being able to get away without actually having to leave my area. And that's it.